Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is SAMIRA ZEE Fashion channel, home of trendy styles. Happy holiday! So today, on today's video, we'll be making a dress that has gather at the center, and it's going to also have a net will be on the sleeve. It's a beautiful dress. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Move this channel, let's move it. Subscribe, and you can share my videos with your loved one. Give my video a thumbs up. Don't forget to watch the video to the end to learn a lot. Comment, watch the video to the end.
Thank you for always watching my channel. So today we are going to make a dress with gathers. So this is the fabric. So it's already folded. So this is it. So now we'll start with the half length. So I will use my tape to roll it to get our half cut line. So I'm marking it to the half length. So this is the marking that I'm doing. So we'll take our roller to roll it to get a straight line. So that is it. So this is the rolling, and this is where it starts. It started. This is where we'll start with the measurement now. So we'll start with the shoulder. So you mark. So this is the marking. You mark down to get a straight line. After having your straight line, you use your roller to roll it out. So that is it. That's the rolling line. So on this line, that's where you get your body measurement. Now that is the bust side. So you're marking the bust now. That is it. So don't forget to add your allowance. So we've added the allowance there. So you come to the half length, because under the half length line, that's where you get your waist measurement. So this is the waist measurement that I'm marking, and add your that's 1 inch dot. So that is the 1 inch dot, because it will have that, and also with the allowance. So that is it. We've gotten the measurement, the waist measurement, the bust measurement. So what will you do now? Just for you to connect with your ruler, connecting it, you roll. I'm rolling it out. I hope you can see it with the chalk. So that is it. So to get the armhole, just for you to curve it. So now this is the armhole. So now we are making the neck. So I mark, that is the neck. To bring it down, that is the cleavage. You also mark. And the neck that we have here is U neck. It's not like V, but you make it. So this is it. So I've gotten my cleavage at the front side. So don't forget to slant your shoulder with half inch. You can slant it with 1 inch. You can slant it, but I'm using half inch to slant it down. So the body measurement is done. It's ready. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So just for us to cut it now, so I want to cut it. So this is the cutting. Finish cutting it. This is the front side. So this is it. You can see it very well. This is how it look like now. So we want to cut the back side. So I've cut the back side of it. What I did is just I used the front side to lay at the back side to get our zip allowance. So that is it. So let me remove it for you to see and show you what I mean. So this is it. So this is the back side of it. So it's done with that. So this is the one that we'll use for the gathers. So this is the length. The length here is 28. So adding with the half cut that we already cut out. So what we do now is just for us to go and gather it and attach with the upper side, that is the half length. So this is it. So we'll do that now.
Yes, we are done with the cutting and sewing of this gathered dress with a beautiful net sleeve on the hand. As you can see, the dress is very beautiful. You can rewatch it again so that you can understand it. Pay attention to details. You can see how detailed the video is. Kindly click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. Please watch this video again and again. You can comment, give my video a thumbs up so that it can reach more people. I really want more people to watch it, and you can share my video with your loved ones. Tell them to subscribe. You can help me also to make this channel to grow. Thank you again for watching.